Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to pin Instagram post. Pinning a post on Instagram allows you to keep specific content at the top of your profile grid. You can pin up to 3 posts, giving you a chance to curate your profile's first impression. Now, firstly, make sure you have the Instagram application and you're logged into your account. Now currently I am at home page of my profile. Now as I said, we can pin up to 3 posts. But for this video, I will guide you on how to pin one of the posts. For this video, I will go for the last photo, which is of nails. Now, if you tap on that photo, there you can simply see the option pin to profile at the first. You can tap on that, and another way is to simply go on that post. And there you can see 3 dot icon at the top right. You can tap on that. And here you can see various options, and there you can see the option pin to profile just above delete option. Tap on that. Now if you go back and check, you can see the pinned post on the top of your profile. Now visitors will see this post first, and this is how easily you can pin Instagram post. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.